Hey you guys, so I'm reviewing the Carol's Daughter's Wash Day Delight Water to Foam Shampoo. So I love that it has a spout opening as it makes it really easy to apply directly to your scalp. So this shampoo is blended with aloe and also has no sulfates, parabens, silicones, or artificial colors. So it's a must for me to saturate my hair fully before applying any product. This really helps me detangle my hair and makes it so easy for the product to work through my hair. I also like to use a wide tooth comb to help detangle my hair. So I completely forgot to take the seal off before this video. Yeah, I know, silly me, how could I forget that? So what I first noticed was that I actually didn't need much of the product, but I thought since it's very liquidy, I would need more. So the smell was like a minty green, clean kind of earth scent, if you would, and it wasn't too bad. As I started working the shampoo in my hair, I noticed that my hair started to become tangled, which I didn't care for. However, I also thought maybe that I used too much of the shampoo. I love giving myself a good scalp massage, so I use my scalp massager by Baby Bliss Pro to really open up my pores and lift up any buildup on my scalp. Again, since my hair became tangled, I used my wide tooth comb to help detangle and rinse out all of the product. It rinsed out well, but I actually didn't care for the foaming because I think it contributed to my tangles. So my hair felt super clean, which was great, but I felt like I needed to put some moisture in it ASAP. Not sure if I'll use this again, but I wanted to try it out for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.